I was going to submit to the station. No, I don't want that. I want an X London vehicle.
I mean, there are all stations to serve in as well.
Yeah. Oh yeah, it's a non-stop. This is a non-stop one.
Okay, I've got another bus here going to Earlsfield, Wimbledon, Rains Park, New Malden, Norbiton, Kingston and Surbiton, please. It's not this one.
No, it's not this one.
Thank you.
Yeah. Earlsfield, Wimbledon, Rains Park, New Malden, Norbiton, Kingston and Surbiton.
Yeah, we're on. This is a refurbished one, isn't it? Yeah. Hopefully we could get one of the ex-London vehicles if there's on.
Yeah, but obviously remember you can't film with bare buses.
Oh, it's, yeah, the same with Red Bull as well. Yes. Apparently, me and my another fuse called Matthew, we went to Metham to ride one of the ex-Quality Line Optes Solo, and then apparently we were forced to delete the photos. They're stricter.
Were they on a public highway?
I think so.
They can't do that.
Because the rule,
Legally they can't do that.
because the rules are the rules on Red Bull buses. They have a strict policy of filming. Because Matthew told me. I think because I haven't tried Red Bull buses before. Besides Matthew, because he travelled it before and he told me the rules. Yeah. Apparently, when there was a van just sounded a horn, it was funny when he did this. I can't believe why would drivers would do that. Oh yeah, exactly. What's this bus we on? VH45165. Yeah. LT67. It's over there. Yeah, this one's recently been refurbished.
Alright, because I know all the LJ16s I've got recently, they've been completely refurbished.
Yeah. Because they were retaining the buses, that's why they got refurbished.
Yeah.
I think that's their rules, I can guess. That if they were retaining these existing hybrids, they have to get
They're
refurbished.
probably going to refurbish them again soon.
Yeah. I can't believe they refurbished the DEMs like a tomato buses. I don't like it. That driver did really floor it.
Yeah, he did.
Yeah, he did. That's a W driver. We need more drivers like this, I tell you.
Yeah, but then the thing is, there's a speed limit as well. So.
Yeah.